that piece over there, he's pulling out and bringing here.
And I bet you he's chewed up my wire. Here.
Yeah. Definitely the ball part now.
If you're like
Back out here.
Yeah. I'll go. All kinds of crap in there.
Yeah.
Hello, darling. Little's dark. So much of the work I do here is with an excavator. I have about an 18,000 pound 9-ton excavator with a thumb. We use it for land clearing, stumps, brush, stacking, and it's been down. We parked and didn't want to start. A friend came by today and discovered a, I don't know, chipmunk nest, rat's nest in it, where they'd eaten some of the wire harnesses out. So here we are. You ready to say hi to YouTube?
To who?
YouTube.
YouTube? No, I'm just fixing. I don't get out of the camera.
It's great. We had a little mouse make a nest out of our wire harness here. And the unnamed mechanic drives a Toyota, is helping us discover and fix this, which is great. Remnants of a little chipmunk nest, whatever it was, went in there and ate all this insulation out of the engine compartment and everywhere else, and enjoyed munching through the wire harness. Yeah, he's been, oh, Jiminy crap Christmas. Ate all the insulation off the inside here. What a busy little something whatnot what. Well, it could be worse. It could be one of them wire harnesses you have to reach all the way through to the other side to get to.
Yeah.
We didn't have to do that. Yet. Your hands will be on YouTube. What do you think, Vader? Bud.